Chairman of the Professional Jamaica Limited, PFJL, Chris Williams, has blasted the government as he says they are holding sports back in their push to drive vaccination across the country. More from Jordan Fort.
Professional Football Jamaica Limited PFJL Chairman Chris Williams was incensed 2 weekends ago when an apparent glitch with the government-approved ticket system caused spectators to miss out on gaining access to the dancehall venue to watch the Jamaica Premier League. The JPL then moved back to the behind-closed-doors format at the Captain Horace Burrell Centre of Excellence at UWI for last weekend's round of matches. This week they were expecting bumper crowds as they moved to Sabina Park, but that wasn't the case. And according to Williams, sport is being treated unfairly.
We cannot use sport, certainly not football. I'm not sure track and field can speak for themselves. But you cannot use football as the mechanism to drive vaccination. No other industry is being used to drive vaccination. The hotels, you don't need to, is not vaccinated or not, you can't get into a hotel. You can't get restaurants, they don't ask for vaccination. Banks, crowded banks, tax offices, you don't ask for vaccination. Why is football and the sporting community being held to ransom?
Williams says the financial outlay to try to meet official protocols is just not worth it because the turnout of spectators is too low.
Because we have to put on the events at these expensive venues, Sabina Park and the stadium, and we can't get the supporters in place. We have to do these expensive protocols, and then the spectators turn around and say they're not going to come because they're not interested in being vaccinated.
Williams made this direct plea to Prime Minister Andrew Holness.
I'm saying, Prime Minister, please adjust that strategy for football. We should not be held to ransom as the only industry. We cannot afford it, and we're trying to develop the sport, and you are holding us to ransom with this protocol. So I'm asking you, please, when you speak next week, adjust this. Give us the opportunity to take spectators, whether vaccinated or unvaccinated, and also give us some of our club venues to use. We can't use these expensive venues.
Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.